Hi, my name is Sean Grounke, and I am an Inside Sales and Applications Engineer here at GAM. Of GAM's broad range of standard products, today I will be reviewing some of our most highly customizable and modifiable units, the EPL and PE Series Servo Planetary Gearboxes. With tens of thousands of EPLs installed since 1998, the EPL is our most popular gearbox and offers the best value in the marketplace in terms of price and performance. The EPL is offered in 5 metric and English frame sizes from 50mm to 150mm and NEMA 17 to NEMA 56, with 22 standard gear ratios from 3:1 to 1000:1. Unlike other planetary gearboxes on the market, the EPL has case-hardened and ground gears guaranteeing torsional rigidity while allowing for a precision rating of less than 10 arc-minutes of backlash. Because of the angular contact bearing at the output, the EPL offers an unmatched service life of 30,000 hours and, in our biggest frame size, can do 7,500 newtons of radial loading and 340 newton meters of torque. One thing to note at the input of this gearbox, the EPL series uses a radial clamping collar for a secure motor shaft connection. With most gearboxes in the market at this price point, you would commonly see a set screw connection. The EPL has 5 standard output configurations, including the standard GAM metric shaft output, a separate metric shaft output that drops in for other inline gearboxes on the market, a NEMA shaft output, an ISO standard robotic flange output, and a hollow output. The hollow output gearbox sets this product apart as it is designed to mount directly to any off-the-shelf linear actuator and includes a simple adapter plate and zero backlash clamping ring. By eliminating additional components required to mount to an actuator, this gearbox can reduce cost and overall length of your drive system. If the discussed output configurations do not suit your application, feel free to contact one of our qualified engineers for a customized or modified solution. If your application does not require the gearbox to support the radial or axial load, we offer the PE Series Planetary Gearbox, a high-value, cost-effective alternative to the EPL. The PE is offered in 4 metric and English frame sizes ranging from 50mm to 118mm and NEMA 17 to NEMA 42. The deep groove ball bearing used in this design allows for a maximum torque rating of 210 Nm, a radial load rating of 2,500 newtons, and rated service life of 20,000 hours. The PE gearbox, similar to the EPL, is rated for less than 10 arc-minutes of backlash with 22 standard gear ratios from 3:1 to 1000:1. What really sets the PE apart is the use of the same ground gears as the EPL, which is unique at this price point. Like all GAM gearboxes, the EPL and PE come ready to mount to the motor of your choosing. The EPL and PE servo gearboxes, with their modular design and many output variations, are easily modified or customized for your specific application. Contact us today and let one of our engineers find a solution that works for you. And remember, GAM can.